Hey, I'm Hilary Duff, and you're on HollywoodLife.com. I have a fashion line that's called Stuff for girls that are like 7 to 14, and it's amazing to design clothes and do it for younger girls, because I remember what I was like trying to find clothes that fit me that were really cool when I was younger. So to make clothes for younger girls that kind of look like older girls' clothes but are still cutting edge and cool is really fun, and to see people wearing it is such a big payoff. I have a perfume that just came out before Christmas. It's called With Love. I spent about a year and probably about a year making it with Elizabeth Arden. And then I also created a song, which is my single right now, called With Love, to go along with the fragrance. And we shot a video in this really beautiful old opera house in San Francisco. And it's on my new record, which is called Dignity, which will be out April 3rd.
Encendió nuestra pasión.